Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel we have got Build the Terminator by Hachette Partworks, and we are on issue 39. Yeah, exciting issue this one because we get to connect these shoulders together. We've got a bit more to do than we did last week. Last week was rather a dull issue, there wasn't much to do, but we've got a lot more to do this week. These are our parts that we get, and this is the area that we're working on. These are our assembly pages, and we've got a fair few steps to do this week, although as simple as it is, we get 11 steps. Our sci-fi cinema legends is Men in Black, and our real world science is asteroid impacts. And of course what we've got coming up is always on the back. That's next week's issue. We'll take a look at that a bit later in the video. Also, if you haven't got it yet, Hachette have started sending out their issue 27s. I've already got mine, so I will be giving this copy away. If you want a chance to try and win it, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can enter that. But for now, let's get these parts open and start building issue 39. Okay, so we got our parts out of our packaging, and these are the parts that we get. We get this piece here, which is metal, and the way you can tell the front from the back is the back is smooth and the front has got this circular piece on the front, so this is going to go to the front of our T800. We get two ratchet inserts for our joints, and these are going to be glued in here, one either side. We get these two pieces, which we're not going to use this week. We get 3 bolts, 3 locking nuts, and they've got the plastic rubber insert inside there to lock the bolts into place, and we get 5 spring washers. So first things first, let's get a bit of glue and start gluing these in. So we can apply a bit of glue to the back of here. We've got 4 pins, and we just need a little dollop just on each one. Just like that. And then we can insert this into here, just like that. Now it wants us to bring over one of these bolts and get this ready. We can get one of these little spring washers, load it up, get another one, do exactly the same. So we've got them ready to go. And on the back here we've got 2 holes. We want to drop one of these in, one of these washers, light in there, and then one of these locking nuts is going to drop just in there as well, just like that. Now what we need to do is we need to bring over our shoulder joint, and because this is the front, we need to bring our one piece, our right hand shoulder, which is the piece that we've already assembled the arm to. So let's bring that over now. Here we go, we've got it now. This is going to locate and ratchet on this piece here. So we can drop that in there. Find it easier if we hold it like this. Lay the arm down. Keep your finger on the back of here to hold the nut in. We can grab one of these now. Drop it into place in here. Now we can grab our screwdriver and just screw this in. Once you've got it in a couple of turns, you can let go of the back because it's already taken to the nut and the nut won't fall out. And we can tighten that up just like that. Now we've got to do exactly the same for the other side, so let's swap him round and let's get some glue applied on the back of here. Just like that. You can use a cocktail stick if you wish. And we're going to drop him in there. If he doesn't go in, you always give him a little turn and he'll drop in. So we've finished with our glue for today, so we can put that away, ready for next time. We don't need these, so store them somewhere safe. Now we need to bring in our left shoulder. And this is going to do exactly the same thing. So we can put that in the top there. We need to get our nut and our washer. This is where it's going to get a bit awkward to hold because we've got our arm. That's why I said we can have our arm extended long ways like this. It makes it easier. You can just put it on the table while you work. So drop your washer in, then your locking nut, get your screw, and you can already put that in the top ready to go straight on. Now, keeping your finger on the back again, flip the arm back over, and it's just a case of dropping this in. Try and hold it with your middle finger and hold your thumb on here. That'll hold that in place, and then you can get a couple of turns in with your left hand, and now you can let go and it will stay in place for you to screw it together. Just like that. And that is what you should be left with after this issue. And we've got a nice little ratchet assembly there. Yeah, so I'm going to bring in the ferratic cage, everything like that, and put it on, and we're going to have a look and see, because we can fully assemble all the parts that we've got now. We can put them all on here. So let's do that now. Okay, so there we are. It's fully assembled, and this is every part we've got so far for the Terminator fully assembled. We've got the head and neck on, we've got both our shoulders on, we've got these two little bits down here, and we've got all of our ferratic cage on. We will be still adding to this next week, but let's pick him up and try and show him to you. And this is sort of, it is some weight behind this, so you can sort of get an idea of what we're going for. There is some sort of weight. Let's show you the back. That's what it looks like from the back. So you're going to have your shoulders somewhere there. We've got a spine coming down. This is going to have a plate on the back here. Our spine's going to continue down here. Yes, this is going to be some size, as you can see. Very nice. So we'll just put him to the side for a moment, and we'll show you what's coming out in next week's issue. So in next week's issue, we're still building the ferratic cage. So these pieces here, and these bolts and nuts and screws will be for the ferratic cage. We get these two, they look like plastic inserts, what are going to go inside the head, which should go, I'll try and get one off, just in here. Black rubber bits should slot in there, these two pieces, one either side, and it'll hold our head, stop it wobbling. So yeah, that's next week's issue. So if you want to enter and try and win this copy of issue 27, if you haven't got it yet, a lot of people still haven't got it. A lot of you have started receiving it now. But if you want to try and win this copy, all you have to do, I'll put it up on the screen so you can have a look, is subscribe to this channel and be a subscriber, because I want to give something back to my subscribers. So make sure you're a subscriber. Then you can go over to Twitter or Facebook, and you can have a look at my Facebook page and you can, or my Twitter, and you can comment on there the hashtag AlexBuilds27. I'm going to keep this open until say Monday the 25th of the 11th 2019, which is 25th of this month, and then on the 26th we'll draw a winner, random winner, and I'll send this out to them free of charge, no cost, and yes, giving something back. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, and also hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified of any videos I put out, and I will see you next time.